Hello my dream catchers, welcome back to my channel, and this is another review. And now this is not a actual makeup but a makeup tool, which is a brush set. Here you go, and it's inside this pouch. This is the Nature Essentials limited edition Saytioco brush set. And if you didn't know, Saytioco, or actually her name is Lindsay, is a famous Pinay YouTuber and lifestyle vlogger. So anyway, the Saytioco brush set has 11 pieces inside of it, and I'm going to get them one by one. So the first thing that I've got is this small type kabuki brush, already dirty because I've already used them. You have a blush brush or a powder brush. You have a foundation brush right here. This is a powder brush. Another flat top kabuki brush. Then you have your a blending brush. Another small type round kabuki brush. Here a concealer or base brush. You have here an eyeliner brush, a pencil brush, and then last is angled eyeshadow brush. So on the next clip, I'm going to show you how to use each one of them. So about these brushes, they are really soft and easy to use. Example, this powder brush, it's very soft and it's actually quite dense. Also this one, because I've used some brushes that are actually harsh on the skin, and they're actually travel friendly because in this set you have everything you need when you have to travel. And if you don't have any brushes yet, then you can start with the Saytioco limited edition brush set, because like what I've said, everything you need is already in this set. So that's it guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel somewhere here, and don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to share this on your social networking sites. And see you on my next vid. Bye.